Large offshore wind parks are currently being constructed in Europe in shallow water. In most countries, however, among them the USA, the water depth quickly increases with distance from shore. The green spot shows a deep water area that would be sufficient to produce 10% of the entire U.S. electricity consumption. The wind conditions far offshore are excellent, but the water depth is normally too great for conventional bottom-mounted towers to be economical. Since 2002, Sway has developed and patented a unique floating wind turbine system, drawing on experience from the Norwegian offshore industry. The tower consists of a floating pole with ballast in the lower end, similar to a floating bottle. The pole is anchored to the seabed with a single pipe and a suction anchor. When the wind hits the rotor, the tower is tilted some 5 to 8 degrees. By tilting the rotor the opposite way, which is made possible by placing the rotor downwind of the tower, the rotor is kept perfectly aligned with the wind. When the wind changes direction, the entire tower turns around a subsea swivel. This, in turn, makes it possible to reinforce the tower with a tension rod system, similar to wire stays on a sailboat mast. Due to the resulting reduction of stresses in the tower is capable of carrying a much larger turbine, which greatly enhances the total economy. Access is possible by either helicopter or boat. Due to its simple construction, the capital expenditure of the floating sway system is competitive to bottom-mounted near-shore wind parks. However, the average wind speeds far offshore are typically higher, so more energy can be produced, and the cost of energy is actually reduced compared to near-shore wind parks. As an additional benefit, the wind turbines will not be visible from shore.